Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share with you massage on the head. But before we start, please press button like, comment or share. So today I have my model already relaxed. Try to put your hand on the head and move circular motion. Okay, only four fingers here moving. And try to move under the hair. You can work with one hand or with two, side by side. Okay, now I'm gonna move the head to the right side, and again try to move under the hair, not on the top of the hair. So you lift up the hair, after you have the massage side by side. Don't forget, here this part is good for people who have headache, migraine, or just tired during the working on the computer or stay a lot on the telephone. So you lift up, ask your client to be relaxed, so easy for you to move side by side, and then lift a little bit up and you work under the head. So there is a movement also that you can give a shock movement, like this one is typical Balinese massage. After you massage circular motion and then you pinch and pull the hair. Of course not so strong pulling the hair, just really relaxing, easy. Okay, one more time. Give a circle. And then this part too, with one hand. You can do this movement also, it's very relaxing. And then the last one is you press the head forward, okay, and to the side. One more time, give a massage under. And then pull out hair slowly. And that's it. That's your massage on the head. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.